Love you.
He gets that mean look on his face. Whoa!
T.
Come back out this way. So we don't hit our heads. TJ, there you go.
Get him. Lay down, TJ.
It tickles too much if I do it like that. Yeah.
Lay down, though. It's funnier when you lay down.
He's got that wrestling face going on.
Mm-hmm. He just has this little look.
Hey, guess what?
He's backing up. Get him.
Okay. Was this fun
Oh,
doing
look,
Crash
there's the other
Landing?
bowling pin. There's the bowling pin.
Oh, okay. We couldn't find the other one.
He was spit off my face.
He's like, see, they actually let me wrestle you.
It's because it's bringing entertainment to the people.
Yes.
Definitely.
I know.
Run off the cake a little bit.
Mom likes it because you get worn out.
Man, and look at Carter. He's like, ooh.